Meanwhile, when the CAC Games get underway in the summer in the Dominican Republic, the Jamaica Chess Federation is hoping its athletes will be among the medalists for the country. This as 4 players have qualified for the Games, 2 each for the men and women's categories. Denise Walters tells us more.
Chess made its official debut at the CAC Games in 2023 in El Salvador, and Jamaica sent FIDE Masters Shreya Smith and Joshua Christie for the men, and woman FIDE Master Rihanna Brown and Amelia Rose Leaks for the women. Heading into Santo Domingo, the men's team remained unchanged, while national champion Kaya Gale and woman FIDE Master Adani Clark make up the women's team. The men were 7th and the women 12th, and the objective at this time around for Smith and Clark is simple.
Well, medal, of course. As Jamaicans do, we always try our best to reach that magical podium, so now it won't be different. Main focus is just to listen to the coach, follow my daily routines as he instructs, and just try to play the best chess that I can play when we go to Santo Domingo.
So my goal is to represent my country to the best of my ability and to perform well. I also plan to do intensive training, continue to train with the team's captain and do preparation on my own as well.
And preparations are coming along well.
It was good. We had some online sessions which were good with the coach. We hope to remain consistent and try to put in as much work as we can in the time that we have before the tournament.
Well, my training style, I like to read and play games and practice online. That's how I train mostly.
The Jamaicans are heading to their second CAC Games after doing well in the qualifiers.
And we had to play a qualifier against other teams in the region. And it so happens that in order to make that Games, you had to finish in the top 15, and Jamaica finished around 7th. So we're going to be participating there.
Jamaica Chess Federation Tournament Director Warren Elliott knows it won't be easy, but feels the team is up to the task.
CAC Games is an extremely tough tournament, but I think from the performance that we did in the qualifiers, finishing within the top 10 on both sections, I think we're gonna do extremely well. We have a couple months now. We're gonna see if we can get down, prepare as best as we can, and go out there and represent for Jamaica.
The CAC Games will run from July 20 to August 8, with a chess on the calendar from July 24 to 28. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.